Hi, I'm Sangeeta Shah. Today I will talk about my journey in a very brief way. It talks about my journey from feeling very helpless few years back to feeling empowered. It talks about my journey of feeling lack of self-worth and as if there is nothing that I can do about certain things in life. Whether it was my migraine, whether it was the other health issues that I had. And from there feeling empowered and have taking charge of my life, taking control of my life to heal it myself, and not only to heal it myself, to even use that knowledge to help others to come out of the same issues. It will be the story of me where as a woman suddenly after 40 years of my life I felt like what can I do now? Now I can't even study, now I can't even have a career, where you feel that you are not good enough. And when you started learning that journey, and very strongly after this 12 years, I feel that women of substance, I feel there is so much to do in life, there is so much to share, there is so much to bring the change in this world. There are many people who would have experienced or still experience in today's life, whether it is the women who feel after having children or being a housewife that what can we do now, it's too late. But trust me, it's never too late. I went back to study at the age of 40. I was a student of vernacular medium school. I went in a class of hypnosis school where I could not understand English, but in spite of that, when I just followed my intuition and my inner calling, a huge transformation happened. And slowly and gradually, before I could even realize, I was in that field. There were people coming to me, and I realized that I could be the channel and I am being the medium to bring that happiness into their life. And what better than this? When you have learned and trained yourself not just to bring happiness in your life, to bring health in your life, to bring health and happiness in your family, your children, your spouse, but even to bring that happiness in society, in other people. And for last 12 years, I worked with lot of clients, helping them to resolve their health issues, helping them to resolve their emotional, their issues, their stress, their financial issues. Lot of complicated cases of genetic disorder, the cases where actually I witnessed the miracle of the ovary regenerating in that person. And that whole journey, as much as it was important for my clients, it was a fabulous journey for me. Today I want to take this opportunity to thank all of my clients who were the part of my universe and my journey to bring me to this level. But my mission in life now is to spread this knowledge, to spread this awareness in many more people. Because the whole journey began with me educating myself by understanding who am I, what am I, and what exactly is my existence all about. What am I here as a soul level, and what is my contract with the divine, or what is my contract with the God. And the minute I feel that I identified that goal, it became my passion. Because it is something which is being pre-decided, what we all call that we come down on this earth with a divine life plan. And when it's a contract between you and God, when you take your best foot forward towards playing your role that you have chosen with the God, the whole universe will come to your help to guide you with the same. And I have been blessed because my journey has been so beautiful. The God has guided me, safeguarded me, protected me at every step in my life. The change and the transformation that I experience in myself, I would like and I wish and I would like to do my best to bring that change in everyone around me. Today, with that mission, keeping that in mind, the therapists that we have trained and a lot of people who came into my life as my students, as my clients, or as my friends, where knowingly, unknowingly, we influenced each other's life. We have formed few years back one institute called Sesta Holistic Healing Studio. I'm the founder of this Sesta Holistic Healing Studio, and our mission is to change lives. I reinvented myself few years back. We wish to do the same with all of you. Thank you.